Well, my starter just went out downtown, so I gotta fix it on the fly. It's gonna be right down here, super easy to get to. We're gonna take out the fan, disconnect the battery first, and make it happen. You just got two 10mm bolts right here and here. Just push the tab in order to remove the electrical connection and remove this coolant hose, and the whole thing pull right on up. This gives you way more access to get to your starter. Just remove the rubber boot and you got a 13mm bolt right here, a 14 right here, and one more 14 back here. You also just need to push up on the tab and remove the electrical connection. You can just tuck this away. And you can use an extender bar to get to this 14mm, just wrap around. And there it is. And easy does it. One down, one to go. And as this one gets loose, the starter will get loose. So just make sure you got a grip on it when you pull it out. And there you have it. Time to take my girlfriend's Lexus to the AutoZone to get my free limited lifetime warranty replacement. And nice and shiny new. 288,000 miles and starting strong. And that's how you do it yourself. Keep your car starting and prosper.